This is what happens when they decide the queen is no longer viable. They have balled this poor girl and killed her. That is what they call balling a queen. See if I can get them off of her long enough to show you her dead body. There is no stopping them once they decide to start killing a queen. Try to keep them in the sun so you can see. It's out of this big hive right here. Been looking for her for 10 minutes. Finally get all the way down to the bottom board. And that's what I find, them balling her. Come on, let go of her long enough so I can get her out of there. So I can show everybody. There she is. Right there is your dead queen. We've got queen cells in the box. They're all swarm cells. They're still looking for her. I can throw her back down there and watch them jump right back on her. See, they've jumped right back on her. Oh well, let's put this hive back together. I was making a split. Alright, let go of her. Alright, she's gone. Alright. That's what happens when they decide to kill the queen. Her Majesty's not always Her Majesty. As they used to say in France, off with her head. Guys, have a great day. Getting your bees. As you can see, nobody's social distancing here. Hit that like and subscribe. Share the video.